Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. Through this video, we shall discuss a new topic today, that is future tense. Before we proceed further, let us first know what are the things that we are going to discuss. So, in this video, we shall discuss the various kinds of future tense, the all four types, that is simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. We shall discuss the uses of each tense and their structure as well. Let us first discuss the uses of the various types of future tenses. So the first in line is simple future tense. The question is, when do we use simple future tense? Simple future tense is used to express what we think or know that will happen in future. It is also used to talk about things which happens on a regular basis, like a habit. Uh, at times we also use simple future tense to describe the result of some action. It is also used to talk about some definite action expected to take place in future. Now let us move to future continuous tense. Future continuous tense expresses an action that will be going on at some time in the future. It is also used to show something that will take place in the future as a matter of routine or as a planned happening. Next in line is future perfect tense. The future perfect tense expresses an action that will be over at a given point of time in future. The last one is future perfect continuous tense. In fact, this tense is very rarely used nowadays. Still, let us know the use of future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is used to denote a continuous action. So, it is used with reference to some time in future. Now, let us come to the most important part, the structure. So, let us first discuss the structure of simple future tense. In a sentence of simple future tense, there should be either shall or will along with the V1 form of the verb. In the future continuous tense, again, we have to use either shall or will plus be plus the V1 form of the verb plus ing. And in the future perfect tense, again we have to use shall or will plus have plus the V3 or the past participle form of the verb should be used. In the future perfect continuous tense, we have to use shall or will plus have plus been plus the V1 form of the verb plus ing. Now, in the previous slide, we have discussed that in all the tenses, like all the types of future tenses, be it simple future tense, future continuous tense, or future perfect tense, or future perfect continuous tense, we have to use either shall or will. Now, the question is, when do we use shall and when do we use will? For that, you have to know the table that you can see in the screen. We actually we use shall with the first person, both with singular and plural form. Means we have to use shall with I and we, and rest of the subjects of the sentence, be it you or he, she or it, or be it someone's name, be it they, we have to use will. Now, in this chapter, you will also have certain exercises where you will be asked to convert the sentences into negative and interrogative sentences. Now this is not something new for you. You have done it in the previous year as well. What you need to do is that you have to find the be verb. I mean, let's talk about first how do we make negative sentences. You have to find either will or shall in the sentence, and just after that you have to add no or not to make it negative. Now if the same sentence you have to convert into interrogative sentence, what you need to do is that you have to bring that will or shall, whichever is there in the sentence, you have to bring it at the beginning of the sentence, and at the end of the sentence you have to put a question mark. That's how you make the interrogative sentences. Now, as you know, the PDF file which contains the solved exercises of this chapter is password protected. It is time to reveal the password of the PDF file. Please note it down. It is 258369. I repeat, 258369. Thanks for watching.